Hey everyone, hope you're well. So today I'm going to tell you how you can accept invites from your Upwork profile. So my profile is based on automation. I'm working through Zapier, Make.com, and N8N. So you just have to go on your dashboard homepage, and from your left menu, just click proposals, and if there will be any invites for the jobs, you can see that here. When you will click on like the invite link, it will show the detailed of every invite job post. So I have 3 invites. So this one is 48 minutes ago, this one is 6 hours ago, this one is 7 hours ago. So yeah, these are free to apply because these are invitations. Client want me to apply for this job post. So actually I need to apply as soon as possible whenever I receive an invite, because there are multiple freelancers who have been invited on the job post. Some are directly applying on the job post. So as soon as you will apply, you will have a better chance to get hired, like 2x chance to get hired. So this job post is basically for automation, scraping captions from social media and adding them to ClickUp. So the tool is ClickUp. We need to scrap captions from social media, and we can see more details here. We need to use Zapier. So I'm expert with Zapier. I did work with ClickUp, and yeah, you can get the help of ChatGPT if you didn't work on any of the tool. But your basic theme is like you know automation. You have the main idea, and every client comes with a different instruction, different scenario. You have to work according to that. You need some research definitely. So yeah, he's Zach. He has 5 stars out of 13 reviews. So he's a good client. Budget is slightly low, so I will accept, and I will ask him to like increase the budget to ideally $100. So it is very simple. You just have to like read the whole instruction and reply to your client. You can get the help of you can get help from the ChatGPT as well. But yeah, please read whole instructions, because there are some things that are personal from clients that he wanted you to read and reply accordingly. So yeah, thank you.